Imagine Disneyland, but bathed in the cool glow of night, with shorter lines, exclusive entertainment, and a vibe that's pure magic. Sounds tempting, right? But here's the thing, access to this exclusive world comes at a premium. Disneyland's After Dark events are back for the first 6 months of 2026, promising themed evenings packed with unique experiences, but are they worth the extra cost? Let's dive in. Disneyland After Dark events have quietly become legendary among die-hard Disney fans. They offer a drastically different way to experience the park, more intimate, less crowded, and with a heavy dose of themed exclusivity. This isn't just about staying late, it's about stepping into a curated Disney experience, meticulously crafted for a limited audience. Think of it as a VIP pass to your favorite Disney stories. What exactly are Disneyland After Dark events? These aren't just extended park hours. Disneyland After Dark events are carefully orchestrated theme parties that take over the park once the daytime crowds have thinned. Every detail, from character appearances to food offerings, is tailored to the evening's theme. Imagine strolling through Adventureland, encountering a swashbuckling Captain Jack Sparrow after midnight, or sampling pirate-themed beignet under the moonlight. It's about immersion, offering a more relaxed and engaging experience than a typical day at the park. You get access to many of the regular attractions, meaning shorter wait times, plus exclusive activities, themed merchandise, and special food and drink options. And this is the part most people miss, the atmosphere. The park takes on a completely different feel at night, with unique lighting, music, and special effects that amplify the magic. However, remember that park admission is required and separate from the event ticket. So, you're essentially paying extra for this enhanced after-hours experience. The themed nights of 2026, what to expect? For 2026, Disneyland is bringing back some fan favorites and introducing one brand new theme. Let's take a closer look. Disneyland After Dark, Sweetheart's Night. This is Disney romance dialed up to 11. Think romantic photo ops with iconic Disney couples like Mickey and Minnie, special performances celebrating love, and themed food and drinks perfect for sharing. It's ideal for couples looking for a unique date night or friends celebrating the power of friendship. Disneyland After Dark, Villain's Night. Prepare to embrace your inner villain. Meet Maleficent, the Evil Queen, Captain Hook, and other notorious Disney baddies. Themed merchandise and sinister snacks add to the wicked fun. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that glorifying villains sends the wrong message to children. What do you think? Disneyland After Dark, Star Wars Night. For Star Wars fanatics, this is the ultimate galactic experience. Immerse yourself in Star Wars-themed attractions, snap photos with Darth Vader and Chewbacca, and snag exclusive Star Wars merchandise. May the Force, and shorter lines, be with you. Disneyland After Dark, Pride Night. A vibrant celebration of Disneyland's LGBTQ+ community, Pride Night features entertainment, special performances, and colorful decorations. The event promotes inclusivity and diversity with themed food, drinks, and exclusive merchandise celebrating Pride. New for 2026, Disney's Heroes and Heroines Night. This brand new theme puts the spotlight on Disney's courageous heroes and heroines. Expect appearances from Aladdin, Mulan, Hercules, and other inspiring characters. Hero-themed meals, exclusive merchandise, and action-packed performances will complete the heroic experience. Exclusive access, rides, attractions, and entertainment. One of the biggest draws of Disneyland After Dark is the dramatically reduced wait times for popular rides like the Haunted Mansion, Space Mountain, and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. This allows you to experience these attractions in a whole new way, without spending hours in line. And it's not just about the rides, the entertainment is also top-notch. Expect exclusive parades, choreographed dance parties, and unique character performances that you won't see during regular park hours. Even the food and beverages get a thematic makeover, with special treats created specifically for these events. Securing your spot, tickets and reservations. Tickets for Disneyland After Dark events are sold separately from regular park admission and can be purchased through the Disneyland website or authorized resellers. Given the popularity of these events, it's essential to book your tickets and make reservations well in advance to avoid disappointment. Disney also offers packages that include tickets to multiple themed nights at a discounted price, which can be a great option for those planning to attend several events throughout the year. In conclusion, is the magic worth the price? Disneyland After Dark events offer a truly unique and memorable way to experience the magic of Disney. With theme parties, shorter wait times, and exclusive entertainment, they provide a more intimate and engaging experience than a typical day at the park. Whether you're celebrating romance at Sweetheart's Night, embracing your inner villain at Villain's Night, or joining the Rebel Alliance at Star Wars Night, these events offer something for everyone. The 2026 Disneyland After Dark season promises to be another year of unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a seasoned Disney veteran or planning your first trip to the park, these after-hours events offer a chance to create memories that will last a lifetime. Now, let's talk. Which of these themed nights appeals to you the most, and why? Do you think the extra cost is justified for the exclusive experience? Or would you rather stick to the regular park hours? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our newsletters, https://www.travelandtoworld.com/subscription.